Nutrition plays a crucial role in both physical and mental health, acting as the fuel that powers our bodies and minds. Eating smart not only helps you train harder, but also sharpens your focus, allowing you to push through challenges with ease. Certain foods, rich in essential nutrients, can optimize your fitness journey by improving endurance, reducing fatigue, and enhancing recovery. From vibrant berries packed with antioxidants to omega-3 rich fish that support brain function, the right choices can make a significant difference. Join us as we dive into the delicious world of brain-boosting foods and discover how they can transform your training and overall well-being. Part 1. The science behind brain-boosting foods. Understanding the connection between nutrition, brain function, and physical performance is essential for anyone looking to optimize their fitness journey. Certain nutrients, such as omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamins, play a pivotal role in enhancing cognitive abilities and workout efficiency. Research has shown that omega-3s can improve memory and focus, while antioxidants found in fruits and vegetables help reduce oxidative stress, leading to better recovery after exercise. For instance, a study published in the Journal of Nutrition highlighted how a diet rich in berries can enhance cognitive function and physical performance. Moreover, a balanced diet ensures that your body receives the necessary fuel to perform at its best, supporting both mental clarity and physical endurance. By incorporating brain-boosting foods into your meals, you can achieve your fitness goals while keeping your mind sharp and focused. Part 2. Top brain-boosting foods. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants that protect your brain from oxidative stress and improve memory. Next, we have salmon, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health and can enhance cognitive function while reducing inflammation. Nuts, particularly walnuts and almonds, provide healthy fats and vitamin E, supporting brain health and improving focus during workouts. Lastly, leafy greens like spinach and kale are loaded with vitamins and minerals that promote brain function and overall health. Incorporating these foods into your daily diet can be simple and delicious. You can add blueberries to your morning smoothie, enjoy a salmon salad for lunch, snack on nuts, or sauté some greens for dinner. Part 3. Meal ideas and recipes. Start your day with a delicious blueberry smoothie. Blend a cup of frozen blueberries, a banana, a scoop of Greek yogurt, and a splash of almond milk for a refreshing breakfast. For lunch, try a salmon salad with mixed leafy greens, cherry tomatoes, and a drizzle of olive oil and lemon juice. For a snack, mix a handful of walnuts and almonds for a brain-boosting trail mix. Meal prep can be a game-changer for busy individuals. Consider grilling extra salmon or prepping smoothie bags on the weekend. This way, you'll have healthy options ready to go. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be boring. Experiment with spices and flavors to make these meals enjoyable and satisfying. Part 4. Hydration and its impact. Our brains are composed of about 75% water, and even mild dehydration can impair focus, memory, and overall mental clarity. Maintaining a proper balance of water and electrolytes is essential for optimal brain health and physical endurance. When you're well hydrated, your body can perform at its best, allowing you to push through intense workouts. Incorporating hydrating foods like cucumbers and watermelon into your diet can also help meet your hydration needs. These foods not only provide essential nutrients but also contribute to your overall fluid intake. Remember, prioritizing hydration is just as important as nutrition. Make it a habit to drink water throughout the day and include hydrating foods in your meals. By doing so, you'll support both your mental sharpness and physical performance, setting yourself up for success. Part 5. Lifestyle tips for optimal performance. Sleep is a critical factor. Quality rest allows your brain to recover and function optimally, improving focus and memory. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night to support your cognitive health. Regular exercise is equally important, as it boosts blood flow to the brain and releases endorphins, enhancing mood and mental clarity. Additionally, effective stress management techniques such as mindfulness or yoga can help reduce anxiety and improve overall well-being. When you combine these lifestyle factors with proper nutrition, you create a powerful synergy that promotes both mental and physical health. Encourage yourself to prioritize sleep, stay active, and manage stress effectively. By doing so, you'll set the foundation for optimal performance in all areas of your life. In conclusion, incorporating brain-boosting foods into your daily meals can significantly enhance both your mental clarity and workout performance. We've discussed how nutrients from foods like blueberries, salmon, nuts, and leafy greens support cognitive function and physical endurance. Remember, a balanced diet is essential for achieving your fitness goals and maintaining overall well-being. By prioritizing hydration and adopting healthy lifestyle habits like proper sleep and stress management, you can create a powerful foundation for success. If you found this information helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more health and fitness content. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends who might benefit from these tips. Together, let's embark on a journey toward better health and performance, one delicious meal at a time. Thank you for watching and see you next time.